title of this story is How Do Dinosaurs Eat Their Food? It was written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Mark T. How does a dinosaur eat all their food? Does he burp? Does he belch or make noises quite rude? Does he pick at his cereal, throw down his cup, hoping to make someone else pick it up? Does he fuss? Does he fidget or squirm in his chair? Does he flip his spaghetti high into the air? Oof. Does a dinosaur glare? How does a dinosaur eat all his food? Does he spit out his broccoli partially chewed? Oh, yes. Does he bubble his milk? Stick beans up his nose? Oh, I hope not. Does he squeeze juicy oranges with his big toe? No. He says please and thank you. He sits very still. He eats all before him with smiles and goodwill. He tries every new thing, at least one small bite. He makes no loud noises. That isn't polite. He never drops anything onto the floor. And after he's finished, he asks for some more. Eat up, little dinosaur. The end.